Welcome back. Well, I had something in mind for this week's project, but I kind of got interrupted by a customer. So now I've got to turn an angel. So come along with me and I'll show you how I make Christmas angels. Oh yeah, look, got my doors done. But first, some new stickers. Jake at Northside Custom Crafts. Thanks, Jake. As always, where am I gonna put you? Jake, I think I'm gonna put you over here by Bob. And certainly not least, Rich Bennett, the Beard Time 16. Hey, look at this sticker, Doug. You ain't got one of them. I'm gonna put you up here by Jen and you, Rich. Again, I'll put a link up here. Thanks, Rich. Appreciate it, buddy. Yes, this was gonna be a snowman, but it was just too wonky. But this will be perfect for the angel. Collar, head. We like it. Billy, what are you gonna do with that jagged collar? I'm gonna sand it flat. That's where the wings are gonna go. There it is. Got a coat of sanding sealer on it. I'll hit it with the abrasive paste and stuff after that dries, and then work on the wings and halo. Time for this. I'll put a link to the website right here, and enter this code, Billy10, for 10% off. And it don't take a lot of this stuff. I've seen people using just gobs and gobs of it, and that's not necessary. You can feel it cutting, and you can maybe hear this. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. I'm not looking for perfection here. She wanted a rather rustic angel, and that's what I'm going to give her. I'm going to hit it with a little Howard feeding wax, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes and buff it out. See, I didn't put that much on my hand, really. And this stuff will penetrate nice. I don't use a paper towel to apply my Howard's feeding wax usually because, well, first off, it's just oil and it's not going to hurt my hands if I wasn't wearing a glove. And secondly, the paper towel ends up absorbing almost or more than the wood does, and I don't like wasting stuff. There's a little bit of curl in this here piece of, this is hackberry, by the way. Got some curl right there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, now start the timer. While I'm waiting on that to dry some, I'll start shaping the wings and the halo. I didn't bother filming working on the wings and the halo. This was already a piece of Chinese tallow that I cut from a tenon from the ornament. I just sanded it a little bit thinner, and this is ready to go. This was a chunk of oak that I cut kind of at a bias. It already had kind of a figure like this in it. I just had to clean these edges up a little bit, and I added this wing separation. So these are the wings. Everything's sanded up, ready to glue together once I finish the body of the angel. Okay, let's buff this up. Nice curl right there. I really would like this to be the front. There's even curl in that bark. Got some interesting curl and figure right here too. Yeah, I want this to be the front, even though there's parts missing in the collar, but again, she wanted it rustic. Time to part it off. I'm going in at a little bit of an angle to undercut this so that it'll sit flat. Normally I'd have just parted it all the way off, but I was gun shy being that close to the chuck. If you'd like to help support the Messy Studio in any way, it's always appreciated. You can go to my website. It's here on the screen. It's also, there's a link in the description below. On that website, you'll have access to all of my videos, plus, or not all of them, but most of my videos. Merchandise and things that I've turned. Merchandise like t-shirts, like this one. Coffee cups with the same logo on them. And any help and support is always appreciated. And remember, if you have questions, ask. I try to answer everything. If you don't feel comfortable putting the question in the comment section below, email me. I'll do my best to answer. Okay, wings are on. While I was waiting for the glue to dry, I got busy doing door stuff. Got the insulation in. Deadbolt works inside and out. Now I got to put the skins on and put one of these to go in the top and one for in the bottom to secure this door here. And then I'll mainly be opening this one. This one can open when I need a whole big stuff. So we're getting there, almost done here, and then I've got to, when I get that done, I'll put the weather stripping on the sides. Top and bottom are good. Put the weather stripping on the sides, and we'll be done. Why are you getting in my way all the time, huh? Why are you getting in my way all the time? Always under my feet. She gotta be over here by me or she ain't happy. Goofy dog. So here it is. One each Christmas angel, about 4.5 inches across at the wings, 7 inches tall. Little halo, a little bit rustic. The body is hackberry. The halo is Chinese tallow, and the wings are blackjack oak. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, congratulations to the 1K drawing winners. Joe Welling, email me your address. And same goes for you, Ron. You won the axe kit. I know you make your own abrasive paste, but you're gonna get it anyway. Thanks again, y'all. Next I'll be doing a tabletopper, I hope. But it may have to wait until after I get back from our cruise. We're leaving Sunday. 7-day cruise celebrating our 45th anniversary. So this will probably be my no, it won't be my last video before Christmas because I'm gonna get this tabletop done. But it'll be my last video until next week or week after. Sometime. We sail Sunday, we don't come back until the Sunday after. So I may not get a video up. I usually post them every Saturday. That may not happen. I'll do the best I can, but stick with me. Rambling again. Oh well. Christmas Angel. Easy to do. Try them out. Use your imagination. Y'all come back. Celebrating our 45th anniversary.
Hi, sweetie.
So,
I love you. Can you please pick up the phone?
Yeah, I'll be right there. Hold on.